Hi friends, welcome to SB Prediction UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction Monday 15 September 2025. Today UK 49's lunchtime prediction first number 20, number 15, number 8, number 35, number 43, booster number 10. UK 49's tea time prediction number. Join YouTube channel membership 99% accurate prediction member only. Join YouTube channel membership now. Join only level 5 UK 49's lunchtime 3 hot number 99% accurate prediction 3 hot number. Join only level 5 UK 49's lunchtime 3 hot number. Join now. Today UK 49's tea time prediction number. Tea time prediction first number 4, number 18, number 23, number 7, number 46, number booster number 30. UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction complete. Like, share, comment and subscribe this YouTube channel now. Good luck, see you soon next video. Bye bye.